6.3 14th one. Find the equations of tangent and normal to the given curve at given points. So we have to find equation of tangent and equation of normal to this curve at the point 0, 0. So to find the equation of tangent, equation of a line, tangent is a line. Equation of tangent, this is the formula, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So to find the equation of tangent, we want to know this point on the curve at which we want to find the tangent, equation of tangent, that is x1, y1. And we want to know slope of the tangent, slope of that tangent. So x1, y1, point is given here. We have to find the equation of tangent and equation of normal at the given points. Point is given. So this point given 0, 0. And one more thing, we want to find slope of the tangent, m. Slope of the tangent we get from the equation of the curve. So y equal to x square. Therefore dy by dx equal to derivative of y with respect to x. That is 2x. So dy by dx, slope of the tangent is 2x. But we want to know the number. That means we have to substitute at which point. Slope of the tangent at the point 0, 0, that we have to substitute here. So slope of the tangent at 0, 0. We want to know slope of the equation of tangent at the point 0, 0. So slope of the tangent at 0, 0 we have to find. At 0, 0, slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent equal to 2 into 0. That means x equal to 0, y equal to 0, we have to substitute here. There is only x. So substitute x equal to 0. So when x equal to 0, 2 into 0, that is equal to 0. So slope of the tangent equal to 0. Now we can substitute in the equation. Therefore equation of tangent at, we want to find the equation of tangent at the point 0, 0. At 0, 0. So using this formula, x1, y1, that is 0, 0. Slope of the tangent 0. So y minus 0, y1, 0 equal to m. Slope of the tangent 0, 0 into x minus 0. So 0 into means that term equal to 0. So we get y equal to 0. See, y equal to 0 is nothing but that is x-axis. So y equal to 0. So x-axis or y equal to 0 is the equation of tangent to the curve. So this equation of tangent is y equal to 0 at the point origin. See, this is the origin, 0, 0. So equation of tangent is x-axis. So at the point 0, 0, at the point. See, this is the curve actually, this curve, parabola. X square equal to y, parabola. So equation of tangent is x-axis. So what is equation of the normal? That is y-axis. That is x equal to 0. Equation of y-axis, x equal to 0. Equation of x-axis, y equal to 0. So this is the equation of tangent. Therefore, equation of tangent is y equal to 0. Equation of tangent is y equal to 0. And equation of normal. Equation of normal is x equal to 0. So equation of tangent y equal to 0, that is x-axis. Therefore equation of the normal is at the point 0, 0 is x equal to 0. Now next one, fifth one. Now fifth one, x equal to cos t, y equal to sin t at t equal to pi by 4. So we want to find the equation of tangent and equation of normal. Equation of same way, equation of tangent means we want to know slope of the tangent and the point. The point is given. Point given means this is parametric form. This is very important. Parametric form. So first we have to find slope of the tangent dy by dx. So dy by dx. What is dy by dx? In the parametric form, dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So find that. Dy by dt. Dy by dt means derivative of sin t. That is cos t divided by dx by dt. That is derivative of cos t. That is minus sin t. That is equal to minus cot t. Minus cot t. Now we can substitute. We have to always remember we have to substitute that t. Or here x equal to 0, y equal to 0, that point we have to substitute in the to find the slope of the tangent. Don't substitute in terms of t and all. So we have to here given t equal to pi by 4. So at t equal to pi by 4, slope of the tangent dy by dx equal to minus cot pi by 4. That is cot pi by 4 1, that is minus 1. So this is the slope of the tangent. So slope of the tangent equal to slope of tangent equal to minus 1. Slope of the tangent dy by dx equal to minus 1. Then we can find the equation of tangent. To find the equation of tangent, we want to get the point also. Point, that is a point here. We have to substitute t equal to pi by 4 here in the x coordinate and y coordinate. Then only we get the point. So here, when t equal to pi by 4, point, coordinates of the point is that is cos t, cos pi by 4, comma sin pi by 4. This is the point. When it is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. And we have to substitute t equal to pi by 4. Cos pi by 4, sin pi by 4. That is the point. That is equal to cos pi by 4 and sin pi by 4. Both are 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2, comma 1 by root 2. So this is the point we want to find. At this point, we want to find the tangent. Equation of tangent and equation of normal. So now we can find the equation of tangent. Therefore, the equation of tangent equation of tangent at 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. So y minus y1, y coordinate 1 by root 2 equal to slope of the tangent. We are finding equation of tangent. So substitute here slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent minus 1 into x minus x1, 1 by root 2. That is, so this is the slope of the tangent. This is slope of the tangent. Slope of tangent. So this is the slope of the tangent. So we get y minus 1 by root 2 equal to minus x plus 1 by root 2. So minus x we can take this side. X plus y equal to 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. That is 2 by root 2. That is equal to root 2. So x plus y equal to root 2 is the equation of tangent. Now we want to find equation of normal. Now equation of normal at 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2. That is y minus y1, 1 by root 2 equal to slope of the normal. When we find the equation of normal, right, slope of the normal. See, this is slope of the tangent, minus 1. So what is slope of the normal? Minus 1 by minus 1, that is 1. So here, slope of normal equal to minus 1 by minus 1, that is 1. So slope of the normal 1 into x minus 1 by root 2. That is y minus 1 by root 2 equal to x minus 1 by root 2. So x minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, both sides we cancel. So therefore the equation of the normal is y equal to x. So we get y equal to x. This is the equation of normal. So we got equation of tangent and equation of normal. Now see question number 15. So find the equation of tangent to this curve which is parallel to that line. See, we want to find the equation of tangent to some curve at, which is parallel. So suppose at this point we want to find the equation of tangent. Find the equation of tangent to this curve which is parallel to. So this point is not given. So we have to find that point. Without point we cannot find equation of tangent. For that one condition given, find the equation of a tangent to this curve which is parallel. Suppose this is the tangent. We want to find, this is the equation of tangent we want to find. With tangent which is parallel to, this tangent is parallel to some other line that is given. This is parallel to some other line, that is 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. So given that this tangent is parallel to this line, so we have to find the equation of this tangent. Find the equation of the tangent. So to find the equation of the tangent, we want to find slope of the tangent. And we want to know the point. These two things we want. So for that, first we will find First we given curve y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. So we can find slope of the tangent. Dy by dx equal to 2x minus 2. 2x minus 2. This is dy by dx, slope of the tangent. Now given that this tangent is parallel to this line, what is slope of this line? So their slopes are equal. Slope of, what is, this is slope of the tangent, equal to slope of tangent. Then slope of the line, this line, slope of 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. So from the equation of the curve, we can, equation of the line, we can find the slope of the line by using the formula is minus a by b, minus a by b, minus coefficient of x, 2 divided by coefficient of y, minus 1, that is 2. So minus 2 by minus 1, that is the slope of the line, slope of this line. Since the tangent is parallel to this line, slope of the tangent and slope of this line are equal. Therefore, slope of the tangent, equal to 2. This is the slope of the tangent. That is slope of this line. Both are equal. So this is slope of the tangent, and so we can equate. Here we found this is slope of the tangent. So 2x minus 2 equal to this 2. Both are equal. Using that we can find the point, because point is not given. We have to find the point using this condition. So given that these slopes are equal, therefore because the lines are parallel, so 2x minus 2, therefore 2x minus 2 equal to slope of the tangent is 2. So equal to 2, 2x equal to 4, x equal to 2. So this is the point at which tangent is parallel to this line. Now we can find the y coordinate. Y equal to, we have to substitute in the equation of the curve. This is the curve. Find the equation of tangent to this curve. So y equal to, when x equal to 2, y equal to 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 7. 2 square minus 2 square, that is equal to 7. So at 2, 7, so this is the point 2, 7. At 2, 7, tangent, this line is parallel to that line. So we got the point and slope of the tangent 2. So now we can find the equation of the line, tangent. Therefore, equation of the tangent. So we got point and slope. Y minus equation of tangent at the point. What is the point? X equal to 2, y equal to 7. At 2, 7. Equation of the tangent at 2, 7. Y minus y1 equal to slope of the tangent, that is 2. 2 into x minus x1. So that is 2x minus 4. So that is 2, we can take everything this side. So 2x minus y minus 4 plus 7, that is 3 equal to 0. So 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. That is the this one. Okay, next one we'll do in the next session.